We once believed that space was something we moved through, not something we could reimagine. Floors were barriers, ceilings were endings, and every level of a home was a separate world. But what if those boundaries were never necessary? What if architecture was never meant to divide us, from light, from depth, from connection? Now imagine stepping into a space where the ground beneath your feet is not an obstacle, but a revelation, where structure no longer hides what exists below, but reveals it in quiet harmony. Light travels freely, passing through layers of engineered clarity, transforming every level into part of a single, living experience. In this new vision of living, transparency is not just material, it is philosophy. Every step becomes a moment of awareness. Every glance downward or upward opens a dialogue between spaces that once felt distant. The home is no longer stacked, it is unified, flowing, alive with continuity. You begin to feel the presence of engineering not as weight, but as trust. Strength is no longer seen in mass, but in precision, in balance, in the invisible intelligence that allows openness to exist without compromise. As daylight shifts, the entire structure responds like a breathing organism. Shadows move gently across layers of space, and light becomes a constant companion, never trapped, never interrupted. Even privacy is redefined, not by isolation, but by subtle design that respects openness while preserving intimacy. This is not just about looking through floors, it is about seeing life differently, about realizing that elevation does not have to mean separation, that luxury is not about excess, but about clarity. In this kind of space, you are never confined to one perspective. You are always connected to above, to below, to the rhythm of movement that defines the home. It invites you to slow down, to observe, to feel the presence of every level as part of your own moment. And as you stand within it, you understand something simple yet profound. The future of living is not about building higher or larger, but about building lighter, smarter, and more open to everything we once chose to hide.